In this video, I'm going to show you 20 forbidden places. Some are closed for scientific reasons. Some are too dangerous. As we move toward the end of the list, things start to get darker. North Sentinel Island. This island is home to the Sentinelese tribe, who have had no contact with the modern world. The islanders see all outsiders as enemies. There have been multiple recorded incidents of them attacking approaching people with bows and spears. The Indian government has strictly banned anyone from even going near the island. The goal is to protect both visitors and the tribe, because an outsider could unknowingly bring diseases that might wipe out the entire community. Area 51 is an extremely secret military base located in the Nevada desert. According to official statements, experimental aircraft are tested there. However, for years, the area has become the center of alien and UFO theories. Security around the base is incredibly high. Warning signs and patrol vehicles constantly monitor the perimeter. It is even clearly stated that intruders could be shot. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault. This is a massive seed storage facility known as the Doomsday Vault. It was built inside a mountain near the Arctic Circle. Seeds from thousands of plant species around the world are stored here. It serves as a backup system against scenarios like war, climate disasters, or famine. Access to the vault is strictly limited to authorized personnel, because it is seen as a biological insurance policy for the future of humanity. The Chernobyl disaster occurred in 1986, and the region is still affected today. Some areas can be visited through guided tours. However, zones with high radiation are strictly off-limits. Certain buildings are deadly due to both radiation and structural collapse risks. In some spots, radiation levels are still dangerous to humans. That's why wandering without a guide is forbidden, and some areas cannot even be approached. Povlegia is a disturbing island located near Venice. Historically, it was used to quarantine plague victims. For years, thousands were left there to die. Later, the island was turned into a mental asylum. Today, it is officially abandoned and closed to the public. It is often called the Cursed Island, and the legends surrounding it never seem to end. The real name of Snake Island is Isla da Queimada Grande, but everyone knows it as Snake Island. It is home to one of the most venomous snake species in the world. Some claims suggest there may be more than one snake per square meter. The Brazilian government has banned civilian access. Only scientists with special permits are allowed to conduct short research visits. Mezhgorye is one of Russia's closed military cities. It is sometimes shown incompletely or vaguely on maps. High security checkpoints surround the area. Massive underground military facilities are rumored to exist there. Some theories suggest it is part of a nuclear bunker system. The only certain fact is that foreign entry is nearly impossible. The Vatican archives are filled with centuries of accumulated documents. They contain incredible records about kings, wars, and church history. However, it is not a place open for public tours. Only specially authorized researchers are granted limited access. This has led to countless conspiracy theories, because many believe documents capable of changing world history are hidden inside. Fort Knox is the massive facility famous for holding U.S. gold reserves. It is under military protection with extremely high security. The site is protected by steel doors, thick walls, and advanced sensors. Even the exact amount of gold stored there is not fully known. At times, even officials cannot freely enter. The Coca-Cola Formula Vault holds one of the most famous trade secrets in history. The formula has been known by only a few people for decades. The company openly states that it is stored in a secure vault. Access is extremely restricted and controlled. This secrecy has only strengthened the brand's legend. That's why many see Coca-Cola not just as a drink, but as a mystery. Surtsey Island emerged in 1963 after a volcanic eruption. It is one of the youngest islands in the world. Scientists study how life develops from scratch there. They monitor how plants arrive, birds settle, and ecosystems form. To minimize human impact, the island is closed to the public. Only selected scientific teams are allowed to enter. Heard Island is one of the most isolated places on Earth. It has no human population, and its nature remains largely untouched. Penguin colonies and seals live there freely. The island also has volcanic activity. For this reason, it is both dangerous and protected. Unauthorized entry is nearly impossible and carries serious penalties. Ise Grand Shrine is one of Japan's most sacred Shinto shrines. While some parts are open to visitors, the inner sections are completely closed. Only specific priests and authorized individuals can enter those areas. The shrine holds immense cultural importance in Japan. That is why visitation rules are very strict. It is also famous for being traditionally rebuilt at regular intervals. Bohemian Grove is one of the most mysterious private locations in the United States. Only ultra-wealthy and highly powerful individuals are allowed inside. Secret meetings and events are said to take place there. Some theories claim global political decisions are discussed within its grounds. The camp area is heavily secured. Without membership, you cannot even approach it. Niihau Island is a privately owned island in Hawaii. Most tourists are not allowed to enter. The local community aims to preserve its traditional way of life. Modern influence is intentionally minimized. Only very limited visits with special permission are allowed. That's why the island is often described as a place where time stands still. Mount Weather is known as a U.S. emergency operations bunker. It is prepared for scenarios like nuclear war or major disasters. It is said to contain infrastructure that would allow the government to continue operating. From the outside, it looks like an ordinary mountain. But security measures are extremely serious. Its exact details and internal structure remain largely classified. RAF Menwith Hill is one of the largest intelligence facilities in the United Kingdom. It is known for satellite tracking and communications surveillance systems. Its giant white radar domes are visible from afar. However, the facility is completely closed to the public. It is protected by high security and military presence. It is considered a key node in global surveillance networks. The Lascaux Caves are famous for their 17,000-year-old wall paintings. These paintings are considered among the most valuable artworks in human history. When the caves were briefly opened to visitors, damage began to occur. Human breath, humidity, and bacteria started degrading the art. As a result, the original cave was completely closed. Today, tourists can only visit an exact replica. Room 39 is known as one of the most mysterious entities in North Korea. Its official existence has never been clearly confirmed. Rumors claim it manages the regime's secret financial operations. It may serve as the center for generating hidden state revenue. Reliable information about it is extremely difficult to find. Even approaching such a place in North Korea would pose serious risks. Please subscribe and like video.